Hello and good evening. This is a tutorial for the final practice exam. In this case, we're going over question 1, part A and part B. So for part A, we're asked to do a uniform distribution. The formulas are in the info tab. And for part B, we're asked to do a normal distribution. So to start, I'm going to write the variables down. In this case, we're going to use A and B for part A. A meaning 11 and B meaning 42. And for part B, just for the sake of keeping things speedy, I'm going to write down 20, which corresponds to the mean, and 3.42, which corresponds to the standard deviation. Now, going back to part A, to start the exercise, all you have to do is follow the formulas. In this case, for a uniform distribution, the formula is equals A minus, plus B minus A times the random probability. Go ahead and autofill. And now we will do a quick average of this range, followed by the maximum, the minimum, and lastly the standard deviation. Keep in mind that since we're working with samples and not population, we will have to use the second option, not the first one. Otherwise, you will get a wrong result. So now for part B, we have to use the formula for a normal distribution, which is equals norm dot I and B, press tab, and then use the first probability, hard code the mean and the standard deviation, otherwise you will get a wrong value. You can anchor them as well, to each their own, I guess. Then go ahead and autofill. And lastly, to complete the exercise, you're going to have to repeat the process that you did previously on part A. So equals average, select the whole range, maximum, max, and lastly, standard deviation. Just like part A, you will use the S variable and not B. And that's it. If you go to the answer sheet, you can see that every single answer is 100%, meaning that we have done the job correctly.